Welcome to our super simple, low impact movement session. We're just going to begin by shifting our weight from side to side. We're finishing off our October challenge, getting ready for the best month of the year, November, where we're going to embrace all the beautiful things about November. It's going to be about mindset this November, as we're going to make some incredible transformations with our body and our mindset. Begin to swing your arms into your body weight shift. We can build strength and balance, core stability and coordination with this one simple movement. We're gonna mix it up as we go through November. Different movement sessions every day. We're gonna be very dynamic with the way we move. We're gonna build cardiovascular endurance, strength, mobility, balance, so much more, but we really are gonna focus on maintaining a positive mindset so that what's outside of us, the weather, frustrating people, whatever it might be, we're not gonna let them infect our inner energy. Okay, just twist. We're gonna do lots of twisting, bending, squatting, pushing, all things functional fitness so that we can move through our days. Yes, you know it, with strength and ease and a real joyful mindset. As I have some light today, which is amazing, but many days in November, it's not gonna be the case. Bring your heel up off the ground. Really twist a little deeper. Keep your head up high. We're gonna bring lots of breath work into our movement sessions in November. One breath can be a meditation. It can transform each and every moment so that we can respond rather than react. Okay, just a very simple reverse lunge. Use your biceps as well, a nice curl. We will bring elements of strength. We're gonna have some challenging exercises, some challenging sessions. We're gonna go with all the best available data. What kind of movement should we do so that we can live to 120 healthy? The healthy part is very important. We're gonna build strong legs because we know that people with strong legs have sharp minds and live longer, happier, healthier lives. Okay, now arms come up, we breathe in, push down, breathe out. Qigong, an ancient practice of movement, mindfulness, and mindset with focused breathing will be used throughout November, bringing these ancient teachings. There's a reason they've been around forever. We can calm our nervous system, reduce stress and anxiety with simple, gentle, low-impact movements when we do them with focus and intention. Oh yeah, they can do wonders for our physical, mental, and yes, we will be bringing a spiritual element into November, as all these sessions, as you've noticed, do. That thing inside of us, that thing that's grander than us all, to tap into that, to the mysteries of this incredible experience. Okay. Kick with a little bit of pace. I do want to bring elements that are going to increase our stamina. Entire sessions where we really going to get the heart rate up so that we can climb stairs, go on evening walks, just do things because our heart is strong and it feels good to do it when you're not out of breath and you feel strong and capable no matter what your age. Let's pick up the pace just a bit. Real easy today, not very long. So let's just move with a little bit of vigor. Okay, now, side bend, but again, this one with a bit of pace. Lots of bending and stretching over the next 30 days. Well, however many days you have left till 120, that many days we'll be doing lots of bending and stretching, moving with focus. And I invite you to bring a bit of a balancing element into this. We want to work on balance every day. It's a practice. Some days the balance will be terrific, other days not so much. We're going to embrace those days. We're going to look at it with curiosity, non-judgment of ourselves, so maybe we can stop judging others as much as well. Oh, whoa, there's going to be a lot going on in November. We are going to become the best version of ourselves every day that we continue to show up. Okay, now just a gentle hamstring and bicep curl. These elements of strength that we'll bring in. When you bring your hands up, make a nice fist. Grip strength. Some great data about grip strength and longevity. Now, we don't want to just practice grip strength. We're not practicing for the test. But we want to do things that are going to make our grip strength stronger. So we may try to find some weights around the house if you have them, or what I will be doing is lots of farmer's carries. One of my best and most favorite exercises for building grip strength is going to increase our longevity and happiness. So I'm going to invite you to get bags and have potatoes or carrots or apples, books in them, something that we can carry and do some exercises with a little bit of weight from time to time this coming month. We can breathe into this too. Ooh. Okay, let's just finish it off with a step and twist. Lots of twisting. Oh, we want to take care of our backs so that we can bend and tie our shoes. We can sit on airplanes for many hours. Do lots of things so our back stays strong, light and loose. As you can see, I'm very excited to get started November 1st with our next challenge. I hope you are as well. I encourage you to please like, comment, track your wins, post a win for everybody to see. It really does. It helps inspire the community and gets other people moving. We want to continue to inspire one another on this journey. It's so much easier to get up and move your body when you know you have others supporting you along the way. So let's continue to do that. Oh, last one here. Brilliant. I am sticking with the one-pointed focused attention, the same meditation that we've been doing. I think there is something truly profound to this. We will be using elements of mindfulness in every session. So pick a spot, give it laser-like attention. I'm just going to do a simple body weight shift, sort of as we started. Just going to be very mindful in my movements, but pick that spot. Notice when you get distracted and just bring your attention right back to it. Let's go together. Well done. We have done it. What a month October was. Look out November, here we come. Best month coming up, no matter what the outside circumstances are. We're not going to let it affect our inner energy, and we're going to continue to show up every day in spite of, no, we're going to see this all as beautiful. Yes, we will. You are beautiful. I'm truly grateful to you. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.